What's up guys, welcome back to the channel, and today we are going to unbox our final piece to our construction set. This is the Track Type Tractor by YIGONG. Purchased this off of TikTok along with the dump truck and the excavator, and this unboxing is coming up to you next on this episode of noprosrc.
Welcome to noprosrc.
Alright, let's just get straight into this. Just like the rest, it had one piece of tape securing everything. So we just gonna cut that, open the box, and what you can see from inside, this is what it looks like. It's the USB charger, our screwdriver, and the battery, which is purple, just like the dump truck. And here we have the excavator. Here's our controller. You can see the same thing as the other two. We have the antennas here. This one has forward, backward, rise, left turn, right turn, drop. Going to be a little leery of this button. You know what happened if you watched the previous video of the dump truck, it rolled off the table. Here's your on off button. This is the indication of, you know, it's just going to make an excavator sound on this button here, and this is the light button. So yeah, then you have two dummy buttons here. So on the back you have where we put the batteries, unscrew it, and you have your tab. And let's reveal the excavator itself. Take a look at that detail. Let's get a 360 spin. If I'm being honest, I really like the way this looks. The blade here is steel.
Metal.
You got your tracks here. There's probably only a few rollers on there that actually work. The others are just for visual purposes. You have hydraulics there on the side of the bucket. The four lights you see in front of the blade, two exhaust here up top. You have your guy here, the controller in the cockpit of this beast. This looks absolutely amazing. I mean, the attention to detail on this guy, they did an absolute bang up job. You also have this guy here, which I'm not familiar with what that does, but it does some kind of function. We will find out here soon when we do a real world demonstration, and I'll do a brief demo here for this unboxing. Yeah, this is pretty awesome. Between the three, I would have to say the dump truck is my least favorite. This looks good, and the excavator is my two favorite. You can get your hands on the excavator or the tractor, or all three for that matter. The link will be in the description below. I purchased this off of TikTok, and I must say, 2 out of 3 isn't bad. I mean, I will still utilize the dump truck, but these two, well, this one and the excavator is by far my favorite. The next step will be to let's figure out where the batteries go in this, and let's fire it up and see what she can do.
A few moments later.
Again, if you want to keep this screw, be careful because it does not stay attached. Tab is enough to protect the batteries from coming out. 2 AA batteries. Okay, so using my Mickey Mouse finger here, that is where we unscrew to get the battery in, and right here is where you turn it on. And right away, off rip, I see lights flashing, so I'm gonna turn it off. Be careful turning it on and off, because you do have to kind of lift up the tracks a little bit just to turn it on and off and to install the battery. So you definitely want to be careful there. Just a little no pros tip. See, like how that's catching right there. Just want to be careful to move the tracks just enough to get it on. And let's turn on this guy. And baby, she's fired up and ready to go. All right, so here you can see 1, 2, 3, 4 lights. Guy right here in the cockpit, got his shades on and his hard hat. He's ready to work. Okay, so it looks like this track actually rolls here. This roller actually moves. These down at the bottom are non-functional. So it looks like actually 3 may work. So I'm gonna say this guy, and 1 here at the front. Again, I am no pro at this. This is my first time running one of these things. How do you... Okay, so that rise. I'm trying to show you. Okay. I thought this in the back, let me move it forward. I thought this looked like it moved somehow. I don't know, I gotta figure that out. I'm gonna put my hand in front and I'm gonna attempt to press this button here, but I don't want her to fall off, so let's just see what this does. Okay, yes. That button makes it go forward. This is just absolute blast. So as you can see in this demonstration, I was correct about the 3 wheels that actually move, and then the rest are just dummies. Oh man, when we get this out on the sand. Yo, I highly recommend you get this. This is just awesome. And it snowed here last night, but it only covered the grass areas. It didn't do anything with the sidewalk. I would have loved to have taken this outside and plowed some snow with it out front, but it's still a little bit time left in February, so we still may actually get a chance to do so. So this is very simple to operate. Pressing the light button now. Lights on, lights off. Music button. You can turn the music. It's not music, but it's just the sound effects of the tractor. I like to hear it. Makes it more realistic. Yeah, I need to figure out this back piece here. So I'm gonna have to resort to the instructions. So stand by. Okay. I don't see anything in the instruction manual that actually says that this guy functions. Do you do it manually? No. Yeah, I guess you do it manually. Very minimal movement. Okay, so there you have it. The YIGONG Tractor. And I must say that I am very impressed with this. So weather permitting, on Wednesday we will do a real world demonstration of this, preferably in the sand. Hopefully it'll be dried out by then. Don't forget, we also have to do the demonstration to see how well the dump truck performs in the sand. It should perform better in the sand than it did on, you know, the hard road surface. So with that being said, let's bring all three of the guys here. And there's still one more, the bulldozer. Still waiting for that to get in stock. That's another one I want to get. Okay, so let's get a family photo here, shall we? I will have to do the dump truck tests as well as the tractor test to see how they fare in the sand. I'm sure they will do well. If you're new to the channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you have this tractor, leave your comment below and let me know, how do you like it? If you have any of three of these or all four, the whole complete set in the series, let me know what you think about them. Like I said earlier, I love this tractor here, and I love the excavator. The dump truck is, it's fun to, you know, open the bed and drop the bed, but you know, that's pretty much all it does. But these two here with the tracks on it, that is 100%. Those two are my favorite. So with that being said, stay tuned for the live demonstration or real world demonstration of the tractor coming up soon. You don't want to miss that, so make sure your notification bell is on. Thank you guys so much for all the subscribes. I really do appreciate that. We are almost to our goal. We're halfway there to our goal of 5,000 subscribers. And maybe there will be a giveaway at 5,000. We shall see. So I'm just tossing that out there. And as always, I think I said thank you for taking your valuable time to watch our video, if I didn't already. And stay tuned for the next one. Y'all be easy. Peace.
Thanks for watching. Like and comment, don't forget to watch more, subscribe.